Hello hamsters, this is Terry from the Hemp Out Agency. How are you hamsters? Listen, Happy New Year. It's 2013 and it has been such a long time since I've done any video blogging. My apologies. The girls were very busy at the end of the season and ramping up and amping up for 2013, which is looking really spectacular. And that being said, we're still consistently doing our product review with all things hemp, and I'm so stoked to share with you something very special that I've been had the ability to work with and collaborate with a very great guy, really cool concept. You do know him. His name is Seth Hayworth. I hope I pronounced it properly. Seth, my apologies. Some of you may know Seth on the Facebook media as the Average Joe on Raw, and if you haven't seen it already, it's been kind of tagging in the media, and he has just launched at the end of last year a new product which brings me to this video, and it is Simply Hemp Milk. Now I tell you, I love this whole concept, and I had great conversations with Seth. We have been able to provide some raw hemp material from Canada, and I am super stoked about this product. Firstly, I loved the packaging they chose. It's a very organic package look, very raw, natural. I love the paper bag. It just brings me back home again. I love the font choice. I love everything about it. Yes, it has curb appeal. That being said, like Seth, I am also coming from the fitness and health industry, and I would always be looking for quick, portable protein there after my workouts and even before if I didn't have time. I'm a girl on the go, workouts, clients. I needed quick, portable protein, and I found this product was great because there's no other product that offers a hemp milk in powder form that you can take with you, and it actually provides you 25 grams of protein. So that's an ideal protein gram for anybody that needs that amino acid back into their system. They need to replenish any glycogen, anything at all. It's a nice, easy digestible protein. There's no soy, there's no junk. It is absolutely tasty. Now let me read the profile here. It contains about 32 grams of fat. Now, please don't let that scare you. The fat profile on hemp seed is abundance. It's got full of essential fatty acids. It's got your omega-3, 6, 9. It is unlike any essential fatty acid profile in the plant spectrum. That being said, the other thing that they have put into this product is a coconut crystal and a coconut water. Now this is ideal as another essential fatty acid coming from the plant kingdom, but the ability that coconut has, and not some people are aware of it, coconut is ideal for medium chain triglycerides, which are ideal for stoking the thyroid. So it stimulates thyroid production, and the medium chain triglycerides actually act in the body as a carbohydrate, but it's not a carbohydrate. It is a fat, essential fat, but acts as a carbohydrate. It's a really amazing property that coconuts contain, ideal for people that are on a weight loss regime if they're trying to cut back on their carbohydrates. If you want a nice coconut taste, this milk provides it, but it's not overpowering. The other thing it contains is a Himalayan sea salt. Now this product per package contains 460 milligrams. Whoa! Now before you freak out, as we do, us people, when we're working in the bodybuilding or fitness or health industry, we're forever, you know, freaking about the content of sodium in our products. That being said, this is not a table salt. This is not sodium chloride, and it's not a chemical. Himalayan salt has so many properties, and I absolutely commend Seth for putting this in it. Finally, somebody that's put in a healthy salt that's going to help promote healthy promotion in the body. In fact, sea salt, Himalayan sea salt is what they've used, is ideal for a whole slew of health factors. Give you a few. It helps in vascular health, believe it or not. It helps in the respiratory function of the heart. It helps reduce muscle cramps. It increases bone strength. It helps, believe it or not, a healthy libido. It prevents cellulite compared to table salt. Get that. When we have table salt, we will retain water. Himalayan does not help that. In fact, it helps reduce change that's developing in the kidney, gallbladder, and it helps to balance everything out. So that being said, it is an ideal salt. Many health benefits. Helps with the inflammation of your tissues, water retention, blood pressure. It's high in your minerals, etc., etc. Now that's not the juice of this product. The juice is the milk. That is the essence, called Simply Hemp, and I love the name. It's true to itself. In fact, you take this with you. Yeah, you do need a blender, but if you have a bullet or if you want to pre-mix it, put it in your shaker cup, you're good to go. It tastes absolutely yummy. It's not gummy, it's not full of gunk. It's easy to digest, and it's got a nice vanilla taste to it. It does contain a vanilla and a cinnamon, and it's sweetened with stevia, so no worries with anybody that is concerned about the 13 grams of sugar in here. It's all natural, and stevia is another health factor. It helps stimulate the pancreas. It's ideal. I love this product. And I'm really excited. I'm happy. I'm getting to know Seth and his production. I'm hoping that the Hemp Out Agency can do some really cool bundling with him and his documentary. We think this is a definite winner. I love it. If you go to simplyhemp.com, you can shop right online. Pick it up by the case. I promise you, you will have no issue with it. I love the product. Again, if you go to simplyhemp.com, purchase it today. I highly recommend it. The Hemp Out girls give it 2 thumbs up, and I'm a happy camper. And thank you, Seth, for sending us the samples. And we look forward to 2013 and helping you grow your brand. All in all, this product is super hempy. We are happy to be promoting it, supporting it with our hemp seed from Canada, and happy to do a video for you, Seth. Thank you for sharing your samples with us gals, and you have a Hemp Out day, hempsters.